Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and reinstalling a hood latch in a 2008 Cadillac CTS 4. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Take these pins out. You're gonna untwist them. And then once they're untwisted, you can pull them up. Just like that. Sometimes they don't untwist too well, so you gotta like pry up underneath it. You can use your fingernail or like a straight head screwdriver. I'm gonna pull this panel up, put it aside, and then I can pull this weather strip towards the center of the vehicle to take it off. We'll do the same with this side. Pull up here, pull up there. There's a fastener right there, and a clip on the back side. I can take the weather strip towards the center, and this piece will come right off. So we're gonna mark our latch with a felt tip marker before we take it out. Over on this side so that it lines up good once we're put it back on, once we reinstall it. All right, we're going to take these 10mm bolts out with a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Take the last one out. Next, we're going to pull the cable out. We're going to use some needle nose pliers, squeeze these two tabs on the cable so that we can pull it out. When we pull it out, then we can pull the cable part around that way, and then pull this cable part that way. Disconnect this connector over here. Try to pull it out without breaking it. We'll use a clip tool. Whatever. And then to disconnect the connector, you're going to push on this tab here and then pull. And now your latch is out. We're going to connect the connector. This lets the vehicle know that your hood is open, and then you're going to push that into where that hole was. Now we're going to reattach the cable. We're going to install the cable into this slot here, pull it around, and then put the cable through that slot, and then insert that. And we're going to put our bolts back in. Install these other two bolts. And we'll use our ratchet with our 10mm socket. Try to get it lined up a little bit with our felt tip marker line. I'm going to use this little brass hammer. We sell these at 1A Auto, just to tap it down a little bit. Try to get it lined up with our markings. And this side looks good. Looks like it's all good. Now we're going to snug them down. Now we're going to reinstall this shield. We're going to push this weather stripping on. Over like that. And same with the other side. Just like that. Now we're going to use these clips, reinstall these retainers. I'm going to reinstall this cover right here. Get that lined up. There's a little tab right there that lines up with. Lock that down. I'm going to reinstall this right here. Make sure you go under the weather strip over here. And then press down. We're going to check our alignment of our hood. Looks good over there. Looks good over here. Looks good. We're going to pop our latch. And grab underneath. Push up, and it works.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.